In this video, we are diving into an important topic for anyone working with the databases, time and date functions in SQL. Handling the dates and time is essential when you're working with any kind of a time sensitive data, whether you're analyzing the sales trends, tracking users' activity, or just recording the timestamp. So today, I'm going to walk you through how to use the SQL's built-in date and time functions. Let's check how they work and how we can use it effectively in your queries. So here you can check we have events table with column event ID, event name, event date and event time, and there are 5 records inserted in it. So let's start work with table. Now SQL is going to provide a variety of built-in functions to work with the dates and time. So these functions are going to allow you to retrieve the current date and time. So extracting the specific part of the date, like performing the date arithmetic and the format dates for better readability. So let's try to extract the current date. So how we can get it? Select current date. And as a result, you can check the output. So today's date. Then check the current time, select current time, and you can see it's a time, it returns the current time. Now I just want to extract both current date and time. So there is a thing comes, select current timestamp. And you can check date with respect to time. I'm getting the both. So these are some basic date and time functions. Current date, it is going to return today's date. Current time, it's going to return the current time, and current timestamp gives you both date and time on the go. Now let's check the another thing. Now one of the most common things you'll do when you're working with a date is extracting the specific part of your date. So you might want to know the year, or you want to know the month or the day from the date column. So SQL is going to make this easy with the functions like year, month, and day. So let's try to extract. We have a data, we have a record, event date we have, event time we have, and event name we have. These are the 3 columns. Let's try to extract the year with another name. Try to extract the month with another name. So check it. Select year from which data? From column name, event, date. So I want to extract a year from event date column as event year, comma. I want to extract one more month from event date as event month, and I want to extract day as from event date column as event date. So from which table? From table name events. Okay, I'll just run this cell and you can see from this column event date, I'm extracting only the event year, event month, and event day. Now this is example how we can extract the year and the day and the month from the event date column. So this can be really useful when you're analyzing the data over time, such like finding the trends by month or year. So now the same thing, we can extract the time. So working with the time, just like with the date, SQL provides the functions to work with the time values. So you can extract the hours, minutes, or the seconds from the time, and you can perform the similar arithmetic operations. So working with the time, select are from which column? So our column name is event time. As event R, comma, one more. I want to extract minutes also. From which column? Event time column. And I'm giving the temporary name as event minute, comma, one more. Second, from which column? Event time as event second. From which table? From events. So I'll just run this cell and you can check from this column. This is hours, minutes, and seconds. I'm going to get the data separately. Event hour, event minutes, and event seconds. So in this example, we are just pulling the hour, minutes, and seconds from an event time column. And that's a wrap on a date and time functions in SQL. So these functions are incredibly powerful and these are going to allow you to manage and manipulate the date and time data with ease. So whether you're extracting the specific date parts, or whether you're performing any calculation on dates, or formatting them for the report. So mastering these functions will make you SQL queries more robust and versatile. Thank you.